Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm just going to show you what my makeup routine looks like at the moment, just to kind of give you a glimpse of the products that I'm using at the moment, just in case any of those help you or you like the shades or anything like that. So that's going to be coming up in a second, but if you are new to me and you're not a subscriber, then please do click the link down below and go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because I do videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So yeah, I would love it if you would come and join the family. Okay, so let's get started. Now to start with, I tend to use this product, which is alginist with hyaluronic acid. There we go. Okay, so I use this and I'm really kind of trying it at the moment more than anything else, because this is supposed to be good for deep wrinkles. Now I do have some deep lines here on my forehead and here around the sides here. Now I am 47, so I suppose it's to be expected. You know, it's one of those things. It is what it is. So I take a small amount there and then I put that, I just blend a little bit of that into the forehead and into the sides here, which is where my main area is. I may well just tap a little bit around the eye area also, because I've obviously got lines there as well. But yeah, generally my main kind of concern is always like here on the forehead. And yes, you know, you could have Botox and all of that, but I'm trying so hard not to go down that route. And I'm going to be sharing with you some procedures that I'm going to try to see how to help when you've got like these deep lines without using Botox and fillers and things. But anyway, I digress. So I put that on first. And then once I've done that, then I'll go in with my primer. Now I have a few primers that I really like, and I have a video explaining what they are, and I'll leave a link so you can go and check that video out. But today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. So I'm going to use this one. Now I have oily to combination skin, so I am always trying to find products that help to really control the shine. It is mainly in the T-zone area, but to be honest, I slather on primer, not a huge amount, but just enough, because I really don't like having that shine. Yeah. Not a fan. It always makes me smile when people talk about the glow, and I'm like, no glow, no glow. So anyway, okay, so that's my Maybelline. And then I am going to use foundation wise today. I'm going to go in with Dior Forever. So I know they do have a new version of this. I must admit I haven't picked it up yet, but I definitely will do, because I love this foundation. This is so nice. This is, yeah, I've got to say it's my go-to foundation most times. I've got other ones that I like as well, like Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, but you can't go wrong with Dior Forever. It is such a nice foundation, and this actually is shade 45. So yeah, that's my shade. So I'm gonna blend this in with a brush. I know some people like to use a sponge. I'm used to using a brush. Some people like to use their fingers. Okay, and that's the foundation on. We have a really sunny day today, so excuse the light if it's coming in and out, because I'm filming with natural light. But yeah, that is the foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's so nice. Okay, and then once I do that, then I conceal with Urban Decay's Naked Skin. So this is medium dark warm. It's a really nice concealer. And I go a couple of shades lighter than my own complexion, just to get that brightness underneath the eye. And I'm using a beauty blender, as you can see. So I'm just taking my beauty blender, tap, 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 tap. Hopefully you can see there, instant brightness already. To see the difference. So once I've done that, now I am very prone to spots, as you probably saw before I put the foundation on. I easily get spots as soon as I've eaten any kind of chocolate or anything like that, then I will end up with a spot literally the next day. So I've got quite a lot of blemishes and scars on my skin. So to cover those up, I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury Retoucher. And this is really nice, and this is in colour 6, which is medium. So you just give the bottom a little twist, and then it's got a little brush applicator, and then it comes out at the top. So all I literally do is just find where I've got the blemishes and just pop a bit of that on. And I generally get blemishes on my chin, and they say that that's hormonal. Obviously with my age, I get it. You know, it's part and parcel of getting old and getting closer to the menopause and all that nonsense. So yeah, I do tend to get blemishes and spots really, really easily. See, there's one mark there. So I'll just go in with this and just try and cover those up a little bit. I do have freckles on my chin, so on my chin. I do have freckles on my cheek, so some of the marks that I think are, you know, spot marks are actually freckles. I must admit, I am not very good with eyeshadow at all, so I very rarely put on eyeshadow. But this by Terry product, this is the Ombre Black Star, and it's such a good cream eyeshadow, and it's so simple, and really you kind of just put it on as you want. So there's no, you know, I don't have any massive technique to how to do it. I just dab a bit on the lid of the eye and just blend it in with my finger. And it's just a nice, easy, quick way to add a little bit of colour to the eye. I love it. It is such a good product. So soft to go on, so simple, so easy. I don't go too high up just because, like I say, I'm not good with eyeshadow and I don't want to look too crazy. I just put a little bit on the lid there just to add a little bit of colour there, which I wouldn't normally do, but since I started using this, I love, love, love this. This is number 4. This is Bronze Moon, this colour, and it's so nice. It's just a little bit, but it's just enough for me. Then I go in with the liquid eyeliner, and this is the Guerlain liner. This is fabulous. It is a little bit pricey, I'm not gonna lie. You can definitely get cheaper versions and cheaper options. L'Oreal do some really good ones, so I've got those also in my bag, but I'm gonna put this one on today. And the reason why I love it so much is just this brush is the best. It is so soft, it just glides on. So if you haven't got a steady hand, you don't have to worry. There we go. I think that's about even. I think, she says. Then I go in with mascara, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal mascara today. This is the Unlimited mascara, and this is the one that has like the twisty neck thingy to it. And I've said it a million times on my channel that one of the best brands for mascaras is L'Oreal. I don't know what it is, I don't know how they do it, but their mascaras are amazing. They are so good, honestly. I'm not just saying that. They really are really good. So I'm going to use this one, and like I say, you can bend it down to help you get into those corners a little bit more. And then I'm just going to add it to the end first of all. Now, I don't have the best lashes in the world. They're not great, if I'm honest. But these mascaras just make them look great. Boom. Don't know if you can see that, but boom. You see that? Look, look. Fabulous. So that's my mascara done. Like I say, L'Oreal. Fabulous for mascara. Next up is eyebrows. Now, don't judge me, people. Don't judge me. I am not good. I am not good. And you can see already, look at the state of my eyebrows. They're not clever. I know, I know. So what we're going to use is By Terry eyebrow mascara and the By Terry pencil. So I'm going to go in with these two, and I find this so difficult doing it, but using these products actually makes it a little bit easier for novices like me that are not good at trying to create a good eyebrow. So bear with me. Now, this pencil is so lovely and soft. Firstly, I just try and draw in a bit more of the shape that I'm trying to get. And then I go over with the brush on the pencil. So it's got a little bit more definition. I don't like my eyebrows to look too crazy. I really don't. So now I'm going to go in with the second side. So there, hopefully you can see it looks a little bit better. I'm really not the best at doing eyebrows. I find it so difficult, and I'm thinking about having microblading done actually, just to make it a little bit easier for me. So I think it looks a bit better and still natural. So for blusher, I'm actually going to use the L'Oreal Life's a Peach. So I'm going to use a little bit of this just on my cheeks here, just to add a little bit of colour, a little bit of a glow, and just to keep it natural as well, because I'm really not one for heavy makeup. I don't like heavy makeup, so I try and keep my makeup like really simple. So I've added just a little bit of warmth and a little bit of a glow just there. My absolute go-to for nudes. If you're a woman of colour and you struggle with nudes, I'm going to leave another video link below so you can go and check that out. But for me, my go-to are Givenchy, are these two products from Givenchy. And this is the lip liner, and this is Mocha Renvensan, and this is my absolute favourite. And then I always kind of like put it around and inside the lip just to give it a bit more of a nice base, because nude colours for dark skin are so difficult to find. So once you've got the right lip liner, it makes life so much easier. And then I am going to go in with number 5, Nude in the Dark from Givenchy. And again, this is beautiful. I just love this shade. I think it's so nice. Such a nice colour. And if you want to, but you don't have to, then I finish off with a little bit of a lip gloss. And I'm going in with Alessandra Steinherr's Plumping Lip Gloss, just because it gives such a lovely shine to this. Just adds a little bit of extra shine. So that is pretty much it. This is how I normally do my kind of like everyday makeup, and I really love those products. They work really well for my skin tone, my complexion, and yeah, I love them. So I'll leave a link down below of all the products that I've used, just in case you're interested in trying anything. If you've got any other recommendations for me, let me know. So if you've got oily skin, oily combination skin, or anything like that, then yeah, give me a shout as to what's working for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to go and subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.